turn yours off. Okay, pause it. Pause it. Okay, the part goes, the sky will open and see him coming in the cloud, okay? So you're going to cross your arms over. The sky will open, boom, boom. So it's two bounce down. So the sky will open, boom, boom. Okay? See him coming in the cloud. You're going to circle your head 4 times. Just one arm, same arm, 4 times. Okay? So the sky will open, boom, boom. You see him coming in the cloud. 2, 3, 4, boom. Okay? Okay? 6, 4, and go right into boom. Okay? 5, 6, 7, the sky will open, boom, boom. You see him coming in the cloud. 2, 3, 4, boom, from every nation. Okay? So play with the music. Now the beginning, when the solo singing it, is just the stage that's going to be doing with it. The rest of y'all are going to just rock. You can. But as you can sing. We're going to ready? The sky will open, boom, boom. You see him coming in the cloud. Go forward first. See him coming. You're here, right? So just take it over your head. Over and over and over and over. Boom. Okay? 5, 10, The sky will open. You see him coming in the cloud. 2, 3, 4. From every nation. When you hear him say nation, that's when you move it. From every nation. Take your time. So, from every nation, every knee, and then you bend the knee. Yeah, think that way. Every knee is gonna bow down. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. The sky will open, boom, boom, you see him coming in the cloud. 2, 3, 4, from every nation, every knee is gonna bow down. And then your second is, every knee is gonna bow down, is when your second hand coming, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8. The sky will open, boom, boom, you see him coming in the cloud. 2, 3, 4, from every nation, every knee is gonna bow down. Okay? Then Then on that day, he'll rise forever. So you're here, right? When you hear him say on that day, then you just, whatever your moves are, it's jam, 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 jam. So you're doing it, 1, 2, whatever it is, 3, 4, listen, okay? So the sky will open, 5, 6, 7, 8. The sky will open. You see him coming in the cloud. 2, 3, 4. From every nation, every knee is gonna bow down. And on that day, we'll rise forever. When you hear the trumpet sound, oh yeah, he'll be with you forever. So it's 1, 2, clap, down, up. Okay? So, clap here, boom, 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 boom. Okay? So, you hear, boom, 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 and you must take a step forward. Okay?
Yes. Music.
Got it? Anybody, if you go on YouTube, we got it.
Is Jonathan Butler Any Day Now?
Yeah.
The song about
Jonathan Butler, Any Day Now is the name of the song.
Brooklyn Jazz Choir. Okay.
If